And good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is I'm very happy to have you back here. All right, what I have to share with you in this video is how to make US dollars daily. How to make US dollars daily while working from home. As we all know that the world has come to a global village through the availability of internet products, so it has made it accessible to do many things. All right, so it has also increased, it has redefined financial technology, it has redefined so many things around us, so we can make money, we can be employed, we can go about with many things online while we are still in our various homes. So I want to teach you how you can start making money. That is how you can start making US dollars on daily basis with this method that I personally have been using. So you don't need to travel abroad, you don't need to be in the United States before you are making US dollars. Wherever you are across the world, you can also start making US dollars at your own conveniences. All right, this is what I'm going to share with you in this video. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojeni Biztalk. Lasojeni Biztalk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, how to make money online, how to be financially free, secured, and settled. I also review online investment platform here, and I give you my sincere recommendation after the review. All right, if you are contemplating on joining any online investment, you can forward it to me for a review, and I promise you my sincere review and recommendation. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for it to be continually aware of the next updates, so that you won't miss out on any of our products. All right, so that is how it's gonna be. Okay, you can take, and if you have any question, use the comment box of this video for any question. You can also contact me on my WhatsApp number here. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. You can also contact me through my email address if there is any question that you need to know, that you want to ask rather. All right, so once again, what you are considering today is how to make US dollars daily while working from home. So I would like to tell you that US dollars is equivalent in price, in value, with a particular cryptocurrency called USDT. So for that reason, let me take you to the crypto market to show you the price of this particular coin called USDT. So it is equivalent in price. It is equivalent in price. So this is the coin right here. It is called Theta. All right, you can see it here. It is called Theta USDT. That is the name of the particular crypto. All right, so you can see the price here. It is also $1. You can see the price, so it is equivalent in price, in value, with the US dollar. So this coin is what you'll be earning through this platform that I'm about to share with you. You'll be earning USDT coin, USDT cryptocurrency, and since it is equivalent in price and value with the US dollar, that means you are automatically earning US dollar right from your home at your own convenience. All right, so now what platform are you going to earn this USDT I've been talking about? And the name of the platform is COTP. COTP is crypto one-time over-the-counter platform. What it simply means that is a cryptocurrency arbitrage platform whereby USDT is being traded on. That is to say, is a USDT arbitrage trading platform. What I mean by arbitrage is that it considers the price of USDT assets in different exchange site, in different cryptocurrency exchange site, and it's designed to buy lower for you and sell at a higher price, or you sell at higher price and then you buy back at lower prices. So you are going to capitalize on the price difference, and that will be accumulated on daily basis to make your own profit. So it is a way whereby you buy and sell cryptocurrency, you buy and sell USDT cryptocurrency in particular. So you make money on daily basis by this method, with this particular platform called cryptos OTC Trading Platform, that is cryptos over the counter. All right, you can be saying that you may not have a prior knowledge about cryptocurrency, but it's not necessary you have any knowledge about cryptocurrency, because this is automated. It is based on artificial intelligence. So this platform is artificial intelligence embedded, so it does the transaction on your behalf. You are just the one to initiate it, and it does the other transaction on your behalf, and the result, you get it in 2 hours. So that is, the transaction will take the maximum of 2 hours for completion. All right, so that is how it goes. Now, what are the requirements for you to get started? You need your mobile phone, you need internet, that is, you need internet access. You need to have internet access on your phone, right? Then you need the minimum of $10 to start. Now, for you to get registered, I will be dropping the registration link in the description box of this video, so that you can register and get started, because you need the registration link from a current user. All right, so but that's not the problem, because I got it covered. Now, how does it goes? The first thing is that after you have registered, you make sure that you provide your personal information, that is your login password, your mobile number, transaction password, and you input your withdrawal address. And also, after that, you need to do your identity authentication. So after you have done that, then you can fund your account with the minimum of $10. So after you have done that, then you can start trading. Mind you are not the one trading, but you are the one to initiate the trade, and the trade will get completed in 2 hours. So with this, you can make up to 3% of your capital on daily basis. 3% of your capital on daily basis. I said earlier that the transaction takes it takes like 2 hours for completion, which means that in a day you can go for 12 rounds. You can have 12 rounds of trades in a day. So, and that can make up to 3.6% of your capital. So after you have deposited, just come to the transaction hall here, click on transaction hall. We have three assets here, so like 3 columns. We have the total asset, we have wallet balance, and we have in the transaction. So the sum of in the transaction and wallet balance gives you the total assets. So now you can see here in the transaction I have 277.00. so that is the money that is in the transaction now. So after its completion, it will drop in the wallet balance. It will get back to the wallet balance, whereby I will now initiate another trade, and I will be expecting the results in the next 2 hours. So for you to trade, you just need to click on immediate competition for orders. But because I am having less than $5 now, it won't go. I'm having less than $5. So when I have up to $5, or after the completion of the current transaction, then I can start another one afresh. So by doing this, you are making nothing less than 3% on daily basis, provided you are consistent with the trade initiation. All right, so you can make money, you can make $, with your phone, wherever you are, at the convenience of your house. So this is the method that I personally have been using to make money online, and I have the full confidence to share it with you, because that is what this channel is all about. You can see the previous trade. Let's check the home statistic. Let's check the income statistic. So I trade, the number of orders for yesterday was 40, and I made a profit of 6.417. On the 12th, I made a profit of 7.15. You can see this is the result. So I've been making money on daily basis with this particular platform, and I'm inviting you also to join me in making $US on daily basis. All right, thanks so much for watching this video, and